Hello. We are here at Gaspereau Mountain Herb Farm and Herb Sanctuary with John Cummings, the creator of this gorgeous herbal space. And we were here for a workshop yesterday, which John hosted on Gurtian plant study. And we spent quite a bit of time with a plant that doesn't grow here, gumweed. And it comes from a faraway place. I'm wondering how it came to exist here in your garden.
This was one of the plants I grew from seed. I buy a lot of seeds, always trying to experiment with what will grow here, because the books say one thing, but reality says another sometimes. So I grew this from seed. This is a West Coast BC or more Washington or Oregon State seed, Grindelia integrifolia is its name, yeah.
It's doing very well. And I know that you are connected to United Plant Savers, an effort to bring some of the other endangered or at-risk species to your gardens. Do you have some of those growing here, some others?
Many of them. I have probably about 10 or 15 species that are on their at risk or to watch endangered list. And I've had a little separate section of farm in a couple of areas where I put those plants because they're mostly woodland plants. And I've actually had some help by the United Plant Savers with buying and putting in some of these plants in order to produce seeds to share with others.
And how long have you been on this farm?
This is our 7th year now.
7 years.
And the farm's been here at least 250 years that we know of. So she's an old farm. A lot of rock's been picked up.
And a lot of seeds spread. It's a mature, gorgeous farm. So what do you do with all these herbs?
Right now, this year, I'm shifting gears. I've spent the last few years really trying to see what will grow and make sense to grow as far as harvest and sales are concerned. But it seems like the market, in many ways, because of international trade, it's hard to sell on a local level and charge enough money to actually make a decent living. So this year I'm changing direction. Actually, everything I grow this year will be made into a value-added product, which will be spagyric tinctures.
Spagyric tinctures?
Yeah. Dan and I have formed a beautiful partnership, and we're working right now on producing high-quality spagyric tinctures for professional use and personal use as well.
Terrific. And how many medicinal herbs do you now have in your farm?
I've planted here that are still growing at least 60, and I'd say there's probably at least 30 that either were here when I arrived or decided to come since I've been here. So, and some of them I'm just identifying after 7 years, going, hey, I've never seen you here before. What's your name?
Yes, the volunteers.
Yeah.
Wow, so it's really significant to have a commercial herb growing farm in Nova Scotia. It's a rare thing, and to be able to supply the local community with local plants and seeds is a really special offering. So this is terrific. And you're also hosting your 3rd annual herb gathering here in a few weeks. Do you want to tell us more about that?
Yes, we've called this the Medicine of the People. And this will be our 3rd year, and the first 2 years were a smashing success, and it's just, we've created joy around the plants, and that's been my objective for a long time, is to bring people together. We can share all our wisdom about the plants, how they grow, where they grow, why they grow, how we can help them, which is a big part of what I do here, is trying to propagate and multiply the wild native plants. So the herb gathering will be on Sunday, August 18th. It'll be an all-day affair with probably 10 different speakers speaking about different topics related to herbal medicine. So we invite anybody that wants to come participate to that day. And you can find all the information about it at greenmanbotanicals.com.
Okay, great. Yeah, I attended, I think, maybe your first gathering, and we had workshops in your yurt,
and set up the last 2 years, yes.
Yep, the yurt in the fields, in these lush herbal gardens, the teepee. Yeah, so this is a wonderful place to come and celebrate plants with other plant people. So thank you so much for creating this and drawing all the plant people together, and all the best in your herbal adventures.
Thank you very much. It's what I do.
Yeah.
It's what I love. Yeah.
Awesome.